Hey guys, you're welcome back. You're back. We're live on CoinMarketCap announcement. Says here only one learn and earn campaign has been concluded. So if you participated in the like learn and earn campaign, you want to check out the winner status on the official distribution status page. So guys, we're going to be checking out people's feedbacks on this. So right here we have Binance Wallet. Okay, from Andrew, he says you guys promised $5 worth of only one token, but sent only seven only one token, which worth about $1.25. So guys, as regard this, I don't know, but what I could say is that there are terms and conditions as regards this token giveaway, and I think only one token. I do not, as of recording, I have not checked the price, but most times when the price of this could be there is that because of the recent dip in lots of cryptocurrencies, the dip it could have affected the price. You could check the equivalent of these seven tokens, or the number of tokens that you received. Check the equivalent that it was as of when the campaign started, or as of a week back, to know how it came about. Because as of now, most of the cryptocurrencies, their prices are dipped, so the worth are less than what they actually should be. Then next one says I did the wheel says I did learn and earn for the near token a day before conclusion. I was wondering why I didn't receive it. Check status, and I wasted all my time since it said it never registered me. Not expecting anything, just a heads up. Okay, so this one says be thankful you received something. Okay, laugh aloud. So when the price will pump, it will be more than 5. This is a good project, mate. Okay, so that's encouragement from Akshat. So not delivering what they promised is just unfair. If I known I'm going to receive 1.25 worth of airdrop, I would never have done the airdrop in fact. So I think it's as regards the price. It's as regards the price. Scam, don't believe then maybe they would give you $1-2 for it. So guys, these are just people's feedback. You can also join up on CMC here to get updates like this. So basically all you need to do is to be dropping a link in the description box. So we're going to go over to the website, official website, and check out our distribution status. Can't recall how the participation went. So guys, as we're waiting, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you buy keys, click on the subscribe button so you get notified when we drop updates. These are some of the campaigns that are currently ongoing and finished. You can see we have Perpetual and Mars ecosystem. We have lots of them, guys, that have been finished. So you want to check out your distribution status to know if you qualified. All you need to do is to click on that, then click on check status. You can input your email. Once you input your email address, you can also check out any UID that you submitted. You want to click on your Binance UID. Okay, it says here that you have been awarded these tokens. So I think we were lucky enough to get awarded these tokens. So guys, you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more. So guys, I think we just got lucky. I think it's a good one. So there are scenarios whereby you could, okay, let me change. You could there's scenarios whereby you could okay, there's scenarios whereby you could participate in this token airdrop and you might not be rewarded. So those are some of the things you want to take note of. So I'm just going to take a picture of this, and I think I'm going to use a random so you understand how it is. So you might check up your own, and you might not. I'm going to click that. I'm going to submit. So participation with Binance ID and email not found. So those are some of the things. These are for a situation where you put in the wrong details. So guys, that's all. I hope you find this video helpful. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Support us by subscribing. Peace out and more love.